sometimes the weather app lies to you, and like today it definitely lied. I don't see this sun it was talking about. There's like 5 points in that little line I thought I was gonna die.
Yes. Or you throw the backflip and land it.
Or I could land the backflip. Let's try to not fall. Oh, I see a blue sky piece. We might get some sun soon. What up, Team Buckhouse? It is foggy. I thought it was sunny in California. No, I'm joking. We got a little bit of a fog today. It's supposed to blow out of here. We probably won't be at there when it does though, because we also wanted to hit the summit. Snow summit? Some type of summit here. We heard that's also a really fun place to snowboard. The one thing that I'm excited about though is their speed for the jumps should be good. So let's hit some jumps. That's how we're gonna start the day off. It's not like flat light, it's just kind of foggy. It's a little cold. Maybe gonna be a little softy. I didn't bring any like super warm clothes on this trip because I was like, it's California. It's gonna be hot. You ready to get right into it? Let's just jump into this. Oh, let's just jump into this. It's a mixture of, it's really fast right now and I can't see anything. All right guys, we got Kevin. And he's ripping the sticker. Let's go. Did you ride here all the time? I don't think I've ever hit jumps so foggy before. Can you guys even see me on the camera? Oh! Let's get the tripod. Obviously, it's not the best conditions for jumps. Let's go hit the big rails. This is nothing like yesterday. Okay, so I've rode in some pretty interesting, gnarly conditions, and this is definitely up there on the list of like sleeting, super slushy, wet, but not raining, but foggy, interesting weather. It's a little windy too, if you can't tell. I feel like Bear Mountain's always windy. What do you guys think about that? Yeah. These guys are locals, and yeah, I feel like this place is always windy, so I'm gonna do my best to talk aloud so you guys can hear me. But you know what these whiteout conditions make me think of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Kev Bush with the large Evolution sticker on the back of the truck, looking so sick. If you guys didn't know, we sell very, very large Evolution stickers. But we also sell small ones like Jake LaPutica It's got the Roman Evolution sticker on the board. Looking so sick, guys. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. If you want one, or any of our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of them, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. It's where I tell you guys where I'm riding each day, so you would know I'm at Bear Mountain ripping. And if you were here, you could be like, yo, where's Buckhouse? Like these guys did. Come find me, come take some laps, and it's super sick. So follow my Instagram, know where I'm shredding, but also get some bonus extra content. All right, sorry if that was a little windy. I gotta deal with what I get, so it is what it is. But let's keep ripping. It's gonna be interesting. We were gonna go night riding tonight, but we might be too wet after today. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Big Park was sick, but at the top section, the lens is getting completely covered with water. It's a big mess, and the crew can't hit everything in that section. So we're coming back to the smaller park. We'll get some box hits, some mini rail hits, get maybe back in the stunt ditch. Yeah, we're just changing it up. We're going with the flow. Oh, I see a blue sky piece. We might get some sun soon. So yesterday when we were hitting the half pipe, the stunt ditch, the left wall needed to get groomed. It was terrible. And they groomed it. So hopefully we can send it a lot better. Survive?
Yes, sir.
Pop tart on the ground?
On the ground. Yeah.
So that rail's like pretty gnarly for all of these guys. So they're crushing it. They're trying their heart out on that little flat bar.
Nice little piece.
Some sunlight, let's go. Pipe is fun, but it's so scary. It's starting to get busy now too, which it's the middle of the day, as expected. All right, guys, so we just tucked it up as a group. We're gonna ride here for about another hour. Then we're gonna go to Mountain High and do a night riding session. Hit 2 resorts in one day, 3 resorts on this trip, which will be super sick. And now that the sun's out, we're gonna session these jumps again because they're still fast. They're gonna start to slow down, but we'll session these little jumps and then we'll get out of here, and then Mountain High will be its own video. But yeah, today's shaping up to be a sick day. We got Tommy right here.
What's up, guys?
Let's go. Getting sloppy real fast. 5 points in that whole line, I thought I was gonna die.
Yes.
We haven't been filming this section because it's like super busy and super choppy. But we're having fun on these jumps. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Wanna ride up together? I thought I had that backflip when I did it. See, I hate falling on the backflip because then I lose the 2 other jumps and we're only hitting the jumps, so there's not a lot of content that we're filming, so every time I fall it's like, ugh. Plus I want to land it, but this is a pretty big jump for me to be backflipping. I'm good at backflipping tiny jumps. I'm trying to slow my rotation down. It's not bad. I'm so mad I'm not landing this backflip up. Ah. All right, so this is Chipmunk, and I want to hit all 3 jumps, so we're not gonna throw the backflip.
Or you throw the backflip and land it.
Or I could land the backflip, but I don't know, I just can't. I keep over rotating. I gotta throw it slower, which is the scary part of a backflip. What's up? What's your name?
Nico.
Nice to meet you, dude. I can't believe how clear it got from how gnarly it was this morning. Like night and day. There's not a cloud in the sky now. Insane. All right, we're gonna let my brother decide. Do I throw the backflip again? Yeah. Okay. I'm like right there with it.
You are the advocate of you can do anything. It's not saying that you can't, just do.
Thanks, bro.
And by the way, I'm not Benton.
Thanks, bro. Sometimes you just need your little brother for some motivation.
Gotcha.
Oh, that was sick. Felt good to land a backflip on a jump that big. And the fact that I threw it 4 times, landing at the 4th. I was getting frustrated. I was like, I don't want to give up on the trick, but for you guys, once again, if I fall on that first jump, then the video gets shorter because I'm not hitting the other 2 jumps. But backflip front 3 method, I'll take that. And now we're off to Mountain High. This was sick. Bear. It was incredible. I was a little, not disappointed, but I thought it'd be more like a Colorado park. It's its own thing. It's a unique place. There's so many beginners hanging out in the park and stuff. It's madness. Also, we're here on a Saturday, so it amplifies it, but I'm hyped. Hyped we got a backflip at Bear. Rode some pretty sick stuff, and once again, check out yesterday's video if you missed it. Woo! And we had a crew today. Rode with the homies all day. Oh yeah. Got Pop-Tart in the house. So yeah, couldn't have had a sicker day here. Started off gnarly, got beautiful. Now we're going to Mountain High. Mountain High will be its own video, by the way. What up, dude? What's your name?
Leo.
Leo, nice to meet you. So we're driving Rug's car this trip. And guys, Rug's a mad supporter. Look at this. He's got the Evolution there. He's even got it on the car. He's got it on the head.
He's got his phone.
What a nice guy. Rug's single-handedly paid for a trip. So everyone say, comment down below, say, thanks, Rug.
No problem, guys.
Not to be confused with carpet. I did this morning make sure to grab my Bear Mountain pin. If you didn't know, I grab a pin at every single ski resort I go to. I have a goal to ride everyone in the United States. So if you want to snag one of my pins, the Evolution pin, those are linked in the description if you want to start collecting pins at all the resorts you go to as well. I don't know, or you just want the pin. I don't know, I think it's really cool to kind of get a mini souvenir at every resort. Minnesota is the only place that like none of the resorts have pins. Like in Wisconsin, most of them have them, but it's like Minnesota, like get on that pin game. But once again, the goal is to ride every resort in the US. We're knocking out 3 new resorts on this trip. So if you want to check out where I've ridden, if I've gone to your resort, if I kind of see if I'm going to go to your resort, because if it's got a red dot, I have to go to it. Check out the map of all the United States and all the ski resorts. It's linked in the description. But the cool thing with the map is you hover over the green dots where I've gone and it pops up and it shows you where we've ridden, and like the video, you can watch the video. If I went to your resort already, you can watch that video. It's really cool. Check out the map. It's linked in the description. And if you enjoyed watching me battle for a backflip, make sure you smash that like button. Likes make me throw more backflips. So hit the like button so I'll do more backflips for you guys. And then if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because once again, I'm showing you all these cool new places to go snowboarding, but also I drop a bunch of how-to videos, a daily vlog, the only YouTube channel posting daily snowboard content. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can get a video every single day. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us on this trip. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with the Mountain High video that we're gonna go film right now.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never